Kingston and the Islands.
I'm good. Okay, sorry. I apologize to all of you. Yeah, last week I almost stole a question from over there. So, yesterday we heard from legal experts and environmental experts, including the Canadian Environmental Law Association, Ontario Headwaters, and the former Deputy Environmental Commissioner. They warned that the government's decision to abolish the Independent Environmental Commissioner would gut environmental oversight and accountability in this province. Will the Premier listen to these experts and keep this important independent office?
Premier.
Minister of Environment.
Minister of Environment, Conservation and Parks.
Mr. Speaker, through you to the member, and I thank the member for the question. Mr. Speaker, the changes we've made are going to ensure that Ontario continues to be the only province that has an environmental commissioner. Our environmental commissioner will be independent through the auspices of the Auditor General. Mr. Speaker, this reflects our government's need to deal with the fact that we have a $15 billion deficit that we're dealing with as a government, but that we still maintain the appropriate oversight, that the Commissioner will be there working under the Auditor General to ensure that all of the various oversight and other requirements are in place, that we can continue to balance a healthy economy and a healthy environment.
Supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. That's an interesting answer, because the government just tabled amendments to Bill 57 to provide for potential layoffs to the Office of the Environmental Commissioner. It looks like the government is planning on some staffing cuts when it comes to the environment. Why is the Premier so afraid of environmental oversight and accountability?
Minister.
It's Bill 57, right? Mr. Speaker, and I thank the member of the NDP for the question. I note that the NDP didn't apparently file any amendment to Bill 57. None? Is that right, Mr. House Leader? So I guess they don't have any concerns, and in fact, none related.
No good ideas over there.
No ideas on any of the aspects. And nothing related to the Environment Commissioner. Again, the committee will duly consider the amendments and make the decisions on it as they should. They will be voted by this House. But, Mr. Speaker, the important aspect is that Ontario will maintain an Environment Commissioner. That Environment Commissioner will, in fact, be in the federal model, the exact same model as the federal government uses, working with the Auditor General, and it will remain the only province that has an Environment Commissioner.